In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and move a Trello board to another workspace. Whether you're reorganizing your projects or collaborating with a new team, this tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Trello account. Go to the Trello website and click on the login button. If you usually sign in with Google, click on the Google option and select your account from the list. This will take you directly to your Trello homepage, where you can see all your current boards and workspaces. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the board you want to move. Click on the board from your dashboard, which will open it up for you. Here, you can see all your lists and cards, just as you usually would. Now, let's prepare to move this board to the new workspace. In the top right corner of your board, you'll notice 3 dots. Clicking these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Select the settings option from this menu. This will open up another set of choices and controls, specifically for managing your board's settings. Within the settings menu, you'll see a section for your workspace. It might show the current workspace this board belongs to. Click on the workspace drop-down to see all available workspaces. Here's where you can choose the desired workspace you want to move your board to. Consider this like relocating a project to its new home. If you're working with different teams or need to restructure your workspaces, this step is where you make sure everything aligns perfectly with your workflow. Once you've selected the new workspace, look for the Change button. Clicking Change will finalize the move, and your board will now belong to the new workspace. This action effectively helps in keeping your Trello account organized and your collaborations efficient. There you have it. Moving a Trello board is a straightforward task once you know the steps. Remember, this feature is particularly useful when restructuring projects or when collaborating with different teams. By ensuring your boards are in the correct workspace, you're making sure everyone who needs access can find the information they need quickly. If you encounter any issues while moving your board, ensure that you have the necessary permissions in both the current and target workspaces. Sometimes a lack of board permissions can prevent you from making these changes. In such cases, reaching out to your Trello admin can be helpful. I hope you found this tutorial clear and easy to follow. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.